How to automatically organize desktop icons in Windows 11. First, find an empty area on your Windows 11 desktop and right-click on it. This will open the context menu. Now hover your mouse cursor over the View option. This will open a sub-menu with various icon settings. Now look for Auto Arrange icons. With Auto Arrange icons enabled, Windows 11 will automatically organize your desktop icons in columns, starting from the left side of your screen. To enable this option, click on it. Now you will notice your desktop icon is organized automatically. You'll notice a check mark appear next to this option once it's enabled. Now whenever you add a new icon, move an existing one, or delete an icon, the remaining icons will automatically snap into a tidy arrangement. You won't be able to manually drag and drop icons to specific custom positions while this option is turned on. Windows will always maintain the organized layout. So that's how you can automatically organize desktop icons in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.